Oh yeah, see, this is the way Billy wears it. You're really doing that.
Everything on my face hurts.
Where have we heard that before? My whole face hurts. I can't stop smiling.
I want to see what I was doing before.
What?
I want to see what I was doing before.
Right now?
No, like at a rave. Like I was
He's
told
not
that
a
that's the thing to
vegetarian.
do.
He's
Just
got a
behind your
good
seat and just like try and get people to play.
And my fingers.
Like by having them
just
watch
wipe
you.
So you're right?
My eyes are burning. I smell like smoke fucking everywhere.
Yeah, well Billy's lighting incense in the other rooms. I'm gonna start lighting some, I don't even know if I have any of the candles to light.
Oh my lord.
Right there.
He's
Can't do this.
a dork.
I was crying, I felt bad, but whatever, girl cried one of them. But yeah.
I'm awful emotional.
So are you alright about this?
Yeah.
Me?
Yeah.
I feel bad, but why are you filming me when I say this?
It's like
Because it's
sludge
fun.
right now. It's like